As we age, it may become more difficult to operate our iPhone or iPad because our sight may be impaired. VoiceOver is an accessibility feature that makes the iPhone or iPad easier to operate for blind or sight impaired. VoiceOver allows for the iPhone or iPad to read the screen, including buttons, icons, and links, using gestures to navigate and select their options. Welcome to Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To activate VoiceOver on either your iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open up the Settings app, select Accessibility, tap on VoiceOver, and then toggle the switch on. Once you do, the toggle will be green when the feature is enabled. Now with VoiceOver enabled, the gestures you use on your iPhone and iPad will change. Now that we've toggled VoiceOver on, let's show you a little bit about how you can use it. So here are some tips. If I single tap, the iPhone or iPad will speak aloud the item that I tapped on. So I'm going to tap on Speech.
Speech button.
And you should hear that being read back to you. If I double tap, it will open that particular item. So if I double tap on Speech,
Voice, Samantha,
it opens
button.
the speech settings for me. If I want to get back to the previous page, I can tap on VoiceOver.
VoiceOver, back button.
And then if I double tap,
VoiceOver,
it should take me back
button.
to the previous page. If I want the whole page to be read to me, I take
VoiceOver,
and I use
switch
a
button,
two-finger swipe
double
up.
tap to toggle
So I'm going to
setting.
take 2 fingers and swipe up the page. And it should start reading it to you, the whole screen.
Accessibility, back button. VoiceOver,
There we go.
heading. VoiceOver,
So
switch
it takes a
button,
little bit of
on.
time to get
VoiceOver
used to
speaks
it.
items on the
It's taking
screen.
me a
Tap
little bit
once
of
to
time
select
to
an
do
item.
it.
Double tap to
But
activate the
now I
selected
can
item.
stop that
Learn
by
more.
tapping
Link.
anywhere on the
VoiceOver
page.
practice
So I'll
button.
tap on
Speaking
VoiceOver.
switch button,
And now that
on.
VoiceOver is selected,
Double tap to
if
toggle
I
setting.
wanted to read the page from that area down, so I've selected something and I want the page to be read from that area that I selected down the page, I just take a 2-finger swipe and I swipe down right underneath that.
VoiceOver, switch button,
and
on.
it should
VoiceOver speaks
start
items
reading
on the
the
screen.
page,
Tap
and it
once to
is.
select an item. Double tap to activate the selected
And
item.
so when I'm ready
Learn
to
more.
stop
Link.
that,
Link.
I can go
VoiceOver
ahead and
practice
tap
button.
anywhere
Speaking rate,
on the
heading.
screen,
Verbosity
and
button.
that will stop the VoiceOver selection for that period of time. So for more info on VoiceOver gestures that we just went over, I'm going to put a couple of links in the video description, and then let's talk about some other things that you can use with VoiceOver. You can change the rate at which VoiceOver speaks to you, and this adjustment is easiest when VoiceOver is turned off. So I've gone ahead and turned VoiceOver off. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the Settings app. I'm going to tap on Accessibility, and it's already on the screen. So let me go back. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on VoiceOver. And right below where it says VoiceOver, you'll see speaking rate. And you can go ahead and adjust that setting to the right or to the left. So if you want it to be faster, you would slide to the right. And if you wanted to slow the rate down, you would slide to the left. You can also change the pitch in VoiceOver, and the pitch change feature allows VoiceOver to speak at a higher pitch when reading the first item in a group and a lower pitch when reading the last item in a group. I find it very difficult to distinguish the change, but if you need it, here's how to enable it. So we've already launched the settings and we're in the VoiceOver settings area. go ahead and tap on speech, and then go ahead and make sure the toggle is turned on that says pitch change. While we're inside the speech settings, if you don't like the voice in VoiceOver, you can change it. So all you need to do is tap on voice at the very top. Go ahead and tap on the voice that you want to choose. Tap the play button to preview the voice, or tap the download button. And once you do that, tap the name again to enable it. So once I've done this, it's downloading the voice. And once it downloads it, I'll tap on it and you'll see a check mark appear. So once I've downloaded, you can hit play to hear the voice, but if I just want to select that voice, I can tap it, and now that voice has been selected, and that's the voice which will be used in VoiceOver. If you want VoiceOver to read your notifications, you can enable the option in the VoiceOver settings. So we're inside of the VoiceOver settings. If I tap on verbosity here, and then I tap on System Notifications. Here I select Speak, and it'll read notifications when locked. I can also have it read or speak the banner notifications. So if you want your notifications read out loud when they come onto the screen, you just have to set up these particular settings. Let's talk about how you can turn off VoiceOver. I had a terrible time with this because I was struggling to get back to the VoiceOver settings with tapping and swiping and everything else. Well, there's a very simple way to turn off VoiceOver. All you have to do is say, "Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver." And it's as simple as that. Give VoiceOver a try if you're having trouble visualizing your iPhone or iPad. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.